Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a couple accessories from Jowua, specifically a tray table to turn your Tesla into the best mobile workstation possible, as well as an umbrella that perfectly color matches your Tesla. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to be taking a look at today is this foldable car tray from Jowua. They sent me this over, and I'm really excited to get into this with you guys. Taking a look at it, I commented this on the last time I reviewed a Jowua product. I really love their packaging. They really take some care in how their products are portrayed, and I really like that. So opening up this tray table, this is a nice, really sturdy tray table that fits right across your lap in really any seat of your Tesla Model Y or Model 3, I believe even the Model X or S. So it just kind of fits on the armrest and over onto the center console kind of armrest too, and allows you a really nice kind of workstation. So you can bring your laptop out, have some snacks, whatever you need to do to have a car tray table in front of you. Really robust hinges on the back too. I really like that. Lots of screws. It's not going to be going anywhere. There's even some plastic protection on each of the hinges we can take off. So, you know, they put a lot of care and packaging and just design into their products. It's really nice and really sturdy. I got this one, which is kind of a woven fabric design on it, so I can use my laptop in the car if I'm ever on a road trip and need to log in for work. They also have one with a nice wooden surface that I'll put up here on the screen. If you ever, want to eat or do anything like that in your car and just need a tray table for traveling, this is a really awesome feature and design. I really like that it folds into a nice compact kind of package. It's really sturdy and it just feels really nice in the hands. Let's head over to the car and see how this kind of looks and how it installs. All right, so we're in here with just the actual tray table. And I want to quickly just pop it up in here and see kind of how it fits. It fits over on your left armrest on your door and then just perfectly over onto your center console armrest. And you got a really nice, just kind of smooth surface here for answering emails, getting on a Zoom call, any of the things that you would need a tray table for. If you like to eat in your car, using this for a food tray is a really awesome feature. I think that'd be something that I would definitely use it for. I think it's just a really nice design. I have plenty of room in here as a bigger guy. I could easily move my chair back if I needed to, but it's just a really nice table. It's nice and sturdy. I could easily work on my laptop here. I think this is something that we'll use for a long time. So I just quickly wanted to show how easily you can use the tray table as a passenger as well. So I moved over to the passenger side and have the tray table set up. It has these nice little kind of cutouts here that fit right around your door handles where your door button is on your Tesla. And it fits perfectly, a nice flat surface with plenty of purchase over here on your center console armrest, and all the purchase over here on your right side armrest as well. Jowua makes an accessory kit that you can also use this tray table for your rear seats. And I'll put some video up here on the screen. It adds a little kind of knob on one side and a little cutout on the other, so it fits perfectly in your back seat. If you have kids that like to use their devices or color or play with toys on long road trips, this would be an awesome table to have for them. The next item that Jowua sent over was one of their specific color matching Tesla umbrellas. And I think this is a really cool idea. As you know, us Tesla owners, you're watching this video, you're already interested in Tesla accessories. These are ones that are specifically color matched to the colors of your Tesla. They come in a red, a blue, a white, a gray, and a black. And I'll put some pictures up here on the screen so you can see them. But this is a really cool, just an umbrella feature from Jowua that I think it's just a good idea to emulate the colors of your Tesla so you can see. I obviously got the red one for my red Tesla here, and it's just a really nice design. You get a nice kind of outer sheath for your umbrella here. Pull that off, and a really nice, robust package with some Jowua branding on there. I don't believe there's any Tesla branding on it, which is okay, but let's take a look and open up this umbrella and see how it works. So we got the umbrella out from Jowua, and it actually is a really nice color match to my Tesla. And that's kind of the whole point of why they sell it as a Tesla accessory, is that it matches the colors of your Tesla. I think that's really cool. Probably kind of hard to see here on camera because it's dark in my garage, but it is a really nice match to the color. Unbuttoning it, and it has a one button deployment system. So right there's like one kind of single button. Give that a push all the way out. You got a nice kind of waterproof, water repellent umbrella. Really help you keep dry in the rain. Feels really sturdy, moving things around. I really kind of like that. Hopefully you can see all this on camera. Another cool feature is it has a one button close. So push the button again, it should release all the tension. Nice. Cinch it up, retract it into the handle there, and then button it up and you're good to go. Well, that about wraps up this video. I want to give a big shout out to Jowua for sending these accessories over to me to show to you guys. I really like both of them. The color matching umbrella, it's a little excessive, but I really like that it matches my Tesla color, and I needed an umbrella, so why not go with one that matches the Tesla, just kind of matches the color a little bit too. Seems like it'll be a really sturdy umbrella. I'm going to keep it in the car for a long time. I love the tray table as well. It's a really nice design. It's very sturdy. I like this type of design more than the ones that clip on your steering wheel. I feel like I would bump that, it would fall off, and all the work I'm doing or all the food I'm eating would be all over the car. So I really kind of like this design, how it fits in each of the different spots. You don't need to be just the driver to attach it to your steering wheel. It fits in your passenger seat, your driver's seat, and also you can get those accessory kits I talked about for your rear seats too. If you're interested in either of these accessories, links to them will be down in the description for you guys to check out. Make sure you use my discount code right here on the screen, Gamble1080. It really helps out the channel. If you're interested in any other accessory from Jowua, a discount code also works. So make sure you use it whenever you check out at Jowua to save some money at the checkout. These accessories and all the other products I've reviewed on my channel will be down in the description in my link tree. So I'll put some video up here on the screen of what that link tree looks like. Just make sure you click that in the description. You can check out all the products I've reviewed. Everything in that link tree has a video associated with it. So you can search my channel and find the product review video you want to check out. Thank you guys for coming back for another video. Please like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.